You ready, Nebraska? Are you guys ready, NC State?
Yes, can we thank our coach, Hannah Barak?
We can. Woo! Thank those coaches. Always thank those coaches. Are we ready? Audience, are you ready? This is it for all the marbles. Here we go. Question, toss-up question number 1. What makes, this pronunciation I'm not sure of, but Sminthurid springtails, easy to distinguish from other families of Columbola. Jerzinski.
They're globular shape.
That is correct. That's the correct answer. And an opportunity then for a bonus question. Which popular author who wrote many books on insects said, "Others again have reproached me with my style, which is not the solemnity, forget it. It was a very solemn thing that he was concerned with. Nay, better, the dryness of the schools. They fear lest a page that is read without fatigue should not always be the expression of the truth. Were I to take their word for it, we are profound only on condition of being obscure." May I have your answer, please?
Yes.
Go with it.
Fabre.
Is correct. That is John Henry Fabre. They're impressed. The judges are impressed down here. Toss-up question number 2. What do the letters EIL stand for, and what is the definition of that concept? AutoZone.
EIL stands for Economic Injury Level, and it's the point at which the crop sustains a damage and loss of yield that would be equal to or greater than the cost of treatment.
Good job. Good job. All right, bonus question then for that answer. What insect is resistant to more insecticides than any other insect? Miwa.
Colorado potato beetle.
That is incorrect. That is incorrect. Audience, here's your chance.
Western flower?
Still haven't heard it. They're guessing San Jose scale back here. Green peach aphid. They got it. Third chance. Green peach aphid. Toss-up question number 3. In Tentaganids, what organ is used for hearing, and where is it found? Bailiffs.
It's a tympanum on the prothoracic tibia.
That is correct. That is correct. Now, for a bonus question. The bonus question is this. Found on over 600 species of plants worldwide, name the insect that probably has the greatest host range. Gorski.
Green peach aphid.
That was the answer to the last question. No. Audience? Fall webworm is what we have here. Fall webworm. Toss-up question number 4. One more opportunity to name that entomologist. He was born on a farm in Wisconsin. His father was an adventurous man and attempted to join the rush for California gold, but died of cholera on a wagon train headed west. Because of the loss of his father, his mother faced hard financial times and could not afford to care for her son, so he bounced from home to home. In spite of the circumstances, he developed a love for nature, except for snakes and walking sticks. He was turned on to entomology by studying the superbly illustrated Insects Injurious to Vegetation by Thaddeus Harris. He enrolled at Cornell University in the fall of 1869, little dreaming that he was on the interruption. Kevin.
Comstock.
It was John Henry Comstock. And an opportunity then for a bonus question. The bonus question is this. In this 1974 novel by Arthur Herzog has been described as of almost unbearable tension built around one of man's most haunting fears, that the forces of nature will overrun his defenses and exterminate the human race. The novel features bees. What was the title? Gorski, yeah.
The Hive?
Is it the close enough? Do they get half credit? They don't get half credit. No, it was the Swarm. The Swarm. Toss-up question number 5. In a very close game here. In insect flight, what muscles are responsible for the downward movement of the wing? Bayless.
Longitudinal.
Expand, Ken.
As opposed to the dorsiventral, the longitudinal ones that contract and wings go down.
That is incorrect according to the judges. Nebraska, can you answer? No. Jay, what was it?
Dorsal longitudinal.
Dorsal longitudinal. Dorsal longitudinal. Okay, toss-up question number 6. Get a question here. In what stage and in what type of habitat does a squash bug overwinter? Gorski.
Adult and in the soil.
That is incorrect. Nebraska, can you answer? Nebraska, Miwa.
Adults in leaf litter.
That is correct. And a chance for a bonus question then. In what 1991 movie did the death's head moth, hawk moth, pupa, play a central role? Houston.
Silence of the Lambs.
Silence of the Lambs is correct. Toss up question number 7. Many insects during development have spine-like, knife-like, or saw-like processes on the dorsal side of the head. What is the function of these processes? Bayless.
To escape their pupa.
That is correct. That is correct. A chance then for a bonus question. The what? Oh, forget about the audience, right? Go to the bonus question. Are we ready for the bonus question? In the book, Pest Control, by Bill Fitzhugh, the main character is a pest control operator by the name of Bob Dylan, who was working on a plan to control American cockroaches with predatory insects. His plan involved using what group of well-known predatory insects? Bayless.
Mantids.
Is incorrect. Audience, do you know? Nobody's read Fitzhugh's book? Actually, they were going to use assassin bugs, redufeted. So, toss-up question number 10. What is the name of the thickened, hardened, barrel-like larval skin within which the pupa in higher diptera is on the interruption? Bayless.
Puparium.
Huh? Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. That's a correct answer. And the chance for a bonus question in here. Frank E. Lutz wrote a book entitled A Lot of Insects. What was the reason for the title of the book? Gorski.
Does it have to do with swarming ants?
Good guess, huh?
His house was full of cockroaches.
Oh, no. Anybody know the story of Frank Lutz in the book A Lot of Insects? Well, it turned out Lutz worked as director of the American Museum of Natural History, and that he sort of said there were more than 500 kinds of insects in the area of his suburban home. The director said, that is a lot of insects, and a bet was made. And he went out and collected all the insects on the lot to prove there were more than 100 there. That was the title of the book because of that bet. So question number 9. There is one family of beetles in which the larvae are so aggressive they have been given the name water tigers. What is the family? Bayless.
Plasticity.
That is correct. Opportunity then for a bonus question. In the mid-1960s, Slama and Williams discovered what is now known as the paper factor. What is the name of the chemical that turned out to be the paper factor, and what did it do to insects? Cameron.
It was juvenile, and it was a juvenile hormone mimic. It's a multi-tool.
That's it. That's the correct answer. Also, question number 10. This is a photo from the second, I guess it's the first series. Let me see on my, oh, 2, on 2, and it's slide number 9. Everybody look at that. This is a toss-up. Insect Frankensteins have been discovered among fossils from a deposit in Brazil. They possess wings and body segments of a dragonfly, wing veins like a mayfly, and raptorial forelegs like a mantis. Researchers created a new order for these insects, which is broad and can contain many species. Name the order. Houston.
Toxoplectoptera.
That is correct. And a chance for a bonus question. According to Michael Majerus, both male and female ladybugs are promiscuous. This promiscuity has led to 2 sexually transmitted parasitic organisms. What is the common name for the 2 types of organisms? Can I have your answer, please? Go ahead.
Wolbachia and Nosema.
No. The answer is, the common name for the 2 types of organisms, they are a mite and a fungus. A mite and a fungus. Toss up question number 11, and we've got a tie game. What do you expect in the final 2? Name the hormone responsible for initiating skeletonization of the insect exoskeleton during molting. Cameron.
Persicon.
Is correct. Opportunity then for a bonus question. Name the insecticide based on a metabolite from a bacteria originally found in the soil of an abandoned rum distillery in the Caribbean islands in 1982. Science.
Spinoza.
Yes, Spinoza. Toss up question number 12. How many subclasses of insects are there, and what are they called? And they must be spelled correctly, so you're going to have to spell them. Bayless.
Subclasses. I'll go with 5. Paraneoptera. P-A-R-A-N-E-O-P-T-E-R-A. Am I on the right track? Can I keep going?
You want to keep going, judges? No. No. Nebraska, can you answer? Onzo.
There are 2. It's the Apterogoda, which is the A-P-T-E-R-O-G-O-T-A. And then there would be the Pterogoda, which would just be leaving off the A. P-T-E-R-O-G-O-T-A.
Oh, so close. Oh, so close. Jay, stand up and spell those words for him.
Without reading. P-T-E-R-Y-G-O-T-A. You put an A on front of the other one.
P-T-E-R-Y-G-O-T-A. And an A on front of that for the other one. Toss up question number 13. The piercing sucking mouth type of mosquitoes, or excuse me, in the piercing sucking mouth type of mosquitoes, there are 6 stylets, 4 of which consist of mandibular and maxillary stylets. Name the other 2 stylets. Abelis.
Hypopharyngeal. And labial.
What?
Labial.
That is incorrect. Nebraska, can you answer? Onazo.
Labial. Labium.
Audience, the answer we have.
No, the correct answer.
Oh, the correct answer. Jay corrected me. The correct answer. Hypopharynx and labrum. Hypopharynx and labrum. Toss up question number 14, and it's going down to the wire here, folks. What is the name for the enzyme involved in light production in lampirid beetles? Houston.
Luciferase?
That is correct. Luciferase is correct. An opportunity then for a bonus question. Exclusive parental care of eggs or larvae is restricted to about 100 species of insects. Most of these 100 species occur in what insect order? Okay, so, all right, so all right, we're going to go to another bonus question because they tell me I misread that. It was paternal, not parental. Paternal. All right, the bonus question was this. Substitute bonus question. In the insect wing, what is the longitudinal vein between the subcosta and the media? Meanwhile,
Radio.
yes, that's correct. That is correct. We have a tie game going down to question number 15. After Hurricane Katrina, the Louisiana Department of Agriculture imposed a quarantine on mulch from several parishes. They wanted to prevent the accidental movement of which insect pest? Houston.
The Formosan subterranean termite.
That is correct. And a bonus question then for Nebraska. What is meant by is it pseudogamy? Pseudogamy. Let me spell it. P-S-E-U-D-O-G-A-M-Y. Houston.
Faking copulation.
These students, I'll tell you what. Is that close enough, Jay?
Could you repeat what he said?
Yeah, please repeat what you said. The judges want to hear this again.
I said faking copulation.
That's what he said, was faking copulation.
That's not right.
Oh, wait a minute.
We're very
You get bonus points for your amusement.
Yeah, I think you do your bonus points for amusement. No, the answer is no. And what we have written here, is this the correct answer, Jay? The answer is correct. The type of parthenogenesis that is sperm-dependent for egg activation, but only maternal chromosomes are expressed and passed on. Faking copulation? That's close, right? Toss-up question number 16. It boils down to this question. What economic insect pest attacking alfalfa injects a toxin that causes the outer leaf tips to turn yellow in a V-shaped pattern? Also name the two other crops on which this insect is a pest. Miwa.
Alfalfa, weevil, peanut, and soybean.
That is incorrect. NC State, can you answer? Bayless.
Alfalfa, weevil, peanuts, and tobacco.
That is incorrect. We have a winning team from the University of Nebraska. The answer is potato leafhopper, potato and soybeans.